creating the Amazon Rails library. Okay, this is the important thing. This is a Ruby module that we include in your book controller. It contains the main processing logic of the mashup. It is used mainly to communicate with the Amazon ECS API provided by Amazon.com. Using the Amazon ECS Ruby library by HS. Create a Ruby file in your Rails root folder. You have a library folder, lib. In that, create a file called amazon.rb. That file can be accessed in your controllers at the runtime. In that amazon.rb file, place the code. In this first line, require Amazon ECS. What we was installed in gem, okay? Module Amazon. This is the name of this module. Provide the access key. When you registered in Amazon access key, you have that key, okay? Please put it in here and declare another. This is get the details of book given. Okay, and also implement a method called in our book controller called. We declared one action called sidebar. In that, we call the method called get book details. Okay, implement that method definition get underscore book underscore details of that, as in what is the 09 something. Okay, in this method, create the and get the book details from the Amazon ECS and put it in a hash. Okay, response ECS dot item underscore lookup as in response group of large. These are three types: large, medium, small. If you want to explanation about these things, response underscore group and all these things, you can go through this site called doc.amazonecs.com. Okay, and get the details of that book and put it in a hash and return that book, return that hash. We declared another method called similar get underscore similar underscore products. For that, get similar products, and for example, like implement that get similar products also. Get the details and also put it in a hash. Return that similar. Okay. One of the important method in our library called amazon.rb file. Okay. This is configuration. Configuration of the ECS object. Okay. Amazon.ecs.configure. Okay. Configure the ECS object here. Provide the AWS access key ID. I will explain each method here by simply. Okay. Get book details method uses the Amazon ECS item lookup. Okay. Item lookup method from the Amazon ECS Ruby library. Passing in the async and requesting a large response group. Okay. Large response group. This method wraps around the item lookup web service from the Amazon ECS API. Okay. It will bring the all details about that book and kept in hash. Okay, like that, this method get similar products also get the similar like as in similar distance related books. As in get book details method, we extract the information we need from return response and place it in a hash. Okay. Which in turn is placed in an array of similar items and returned to the view, which will display in our view called sidebar. Okay, in our requirements. Creating the sidebar. The Amazon Rails library is the brain of our mashup, but it is not visible or existing. Let's create something, a view, to display the books. Okay. First, create the layout used for all templates in the book views. Create a file in the folder Rails root in the layouts directory name books underscore RHTML. Next, create a folder called Rails underscore root. In views, we can implement the design which whatever you like tables using CSS, all this. Okay. Right here, we will display the information of the gathered hash from the Amazon ECS. Okay. Here we will display the gathered information. book title and book author and also book image underscore URL. Like this, we will display the whatever it may be, how many books are there, whatever it may be. Okay. Here we will display the similar books. Okay. Here we will display only static book, only one book. Okay. Here it will display the similar books. After creating that view, run the server and type this localhost 3000 books sidebar action. It will display like this. Okay. Here you will implement our own website in this layout. Okay. In that we will get the programming Ruby, the programmatic programming guide second edition book. Statically I kept the 091 key. Okay. These are the similar books. Okay. Next. Blank space to the right of the page. This is the deliberate. In that we will implement our own website, like whatever may be the user comments related to our website. Okay. Getting customer reviews. Next topic is getting customer reviews from the AWS. We want to get customer reviews that have been posted on Amazon.com, not in our site, and display them to the right of the sidebar. Already we implemented the sidebar. Okay, displaying the SN book and similar books. Okay, in that after this publish span tag, just display copy the code. Okay, this it will this is Ajax. Okay, link to remote. We will provide that, gather the reviews of that book. Okay, for that if I click that reviews tag, reviews button, from right side we will get the comments of this book. Okay, for that purpose we will implement the link underscore remote tag. Okay, image underscore tag book average rating at the rate book of average underscore rating that gif. Okay.